Tell me about, oops. Tell me about your painting. Harrison, tell me about all the parts.
The arm and the boom and the butt and the tracks and the...
Where's the tracks? That's right. And where's your arm and boom and bucket? That's right. And what did you say this part over here was?
The engine.
The engine. That is such a great painting. High five. Do we need to let it dry now?
No, I want to paint.
You want to still paint. Are you still working on this one, or do you need a new paper?
New paper.
A new paper. Okay, so this excavator is all done.
Yes.
Can I write excavator on it for you?
What?
Can I write excavator?
Yes.
Okay. I like your painting, Henry. That's nice. Henry.
No.
Do you need more paint?
I want more.
Do you want some orange?
I want more paint.
Here.
I want more paint.
You do? What color do you want?
No.
How do you talk to your mama?
What?
How do you talk to your mama? All I heard was, I want more paint.
I want pink.
Henry.
Mama, I want pink.
How do you ask for anything?
Please have purple pink.
Please.
Please have purple pink, please.
You may have some purple paint, please. Do you need some paper too?
What?
Do you need paper too?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay. And you would like some purple paint?
Yes.
Okay. I think I'm gonna have to clean a couple of paintbrushes. So
What?
I'm gonna clean this paintbrush off, and then you can have the purple paint, okay?